One of the most commonly asked interview questions on vector database for beginner level is, if you notice here is the select statement which contains one. When I execute, and notice here we got the output which we have declared 1, we got 1 here. Now here the question for vector database is, I'm changing this column type to a vector database embeddings. Now it's become a embeddings. Now when I execute, see, it's successfully executed without any error. Now here the question comes, instead of numeric value, if I add some text or string, first without vector it executes successfully. Let's check. See, the column text is Charan. Now I'm adding vector data type. When I execute, see here we got an error, invalid input syntax for type vector, which is Charan. So in interview they will ask, if I pass a string values into a vector embeddings, what will be the output? Simply say it raise an error because vector embeddings stores only integer numeric values, not text or string values. That's it. So always remember, vector data types or stores only numeric values. That's it. If you like this video tutorial, please subscribe, share and click the bell icon.